Hello, boys and girls. I want to help you navigate through Pearson Math so you can understand where your assignments are and what tools are available for you when you are in Pearson. So once you go through Clever and you click on Pearson Math, this should pop up. Once you see this, you always want to go to the right and click Pearson Realize. Once you are in Pearson Realize, you need to go to Classes. Classes will give you everything you need to do for your assignments. Here you can see some assignments that may have been assigned to you. Once you click on an assignment, this pops up. Then you click on the assignment again, and the assignment will start. What happens if you need some tools during this assignment? So here I am doing the assignment and maybe I need a pencil or a piece of paper to help me understand what to do next. You can also use question help. It will give you a video. You can view an example or even glossary for words you may not know. If you needed some special tools or manipulatives like you may use in class, keep your assignment open, click over here on this Pearson, and then go back to Pearson Realize. Then, if we click Classes, again, your assignment is here, but then this is still available. Here, where it says e-text and tools, this is a great area of resources. If I go to Math Tools, all of our manipulatives that are available in class are here. So for instance, if I were working on fractions, I can click on fractions and give myself fraction pieces, fraction strips. So here, if the question was asking me, is 3/8 or 5/6 bigger, I would be able to then use my fraction strips just like I was in class. And then go ahead and click back over to my assignment and be able to answer the question effectively. Follow these steps to get you to all of these different manipulatives. Again, they are in the math tools. You have number charts, you have bar diagrams, there's money and counters. All of these different items are just like you would have in class, however, they are now digital. Please use this as you are navigating yourself through the different math assignments you may find.